G'day everyone. Thought I'd continue with the discussion we had about giving your work away for free, Instagram likes or things like that. And I wanted to sort of continue that discussion with you. Someone sent me a link and I can't remember who it was, but it's such a good link and I thought that I'd share this with you and we can have a quick talk about this afterwards. So this website that I'm going to be bringing up is by Foil, Arms and Hog, and I'll stick the links down below so that you can have a look at that actual site. It's amazing if you want to have a real chuckle and laugh because they do some wonderful comedy. But let's have a look at this and then we'll have a quick discussion about it afterwards. So bear with me just while I switch over.
Yeah, that tap is banjaxed, so I can fix it for you, but it'll cost €50.
Oh, no, sorry, this job is unpaid, but it does offer excellent exposure.
Sorry, what?
Exposure. Between Facebook and Instagram, I've almost 324 followers.
So
This is an exciting opportunity that could lead to future plumbing jobs. Most of my friends have toilets.
No, I'm gonna need money.
This is going to be great for your portfolio.
My what?
Basically, the experience that I provide you with here today will look amazing on your resume.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a graphic designer.
You design something and you get paid.
Oh, I never get paid.
What?
My exposure is through the roof.
Your exposure?
I'm getting so many unpaid job offers, I don't even know what to do. I'm literally turning down unpaid work.
You can't live like that.
It all stops in April.
Great.
I've landed myself a sweet internship.
Brilliant.
That's me sorted unpaid for the next 6 months.
How do you afford groceries?
Oh, I just take them.
You shoplift.
I'm giving those 2 security guards incredible experience. Last week, one of them tackled me from behind, while the other one punched me in the face. Now they can say in their resume that they work amazing in a team.
I'm gonna need actual physical cash.
Well, I'm shocked and disappointed that you would turn down such a fantastic opportunity, because there are plenty of plumbers in the city who would kill to be...
The call-out fee is €20.
Okay. 5, 10, 15... 20 tweets. Will that cover it?
Doomed up.
Hi, we're Foil, Arms and Hog. Thanks for watching. We have a new video every Thursday.
They're a classic. So do subscribe to them, guys, because they're so funny. I'll just show their site just so you can have a look. They're called Foil, Arms and Hog. But, you know, I mean, they're just hilarious and they have some really good stuff. So, you know, I encourage you to do that. I just thought I'd share that because it just matches perfectly what I was saying in the video just recently, that too many photographers are getting sucked in, especially young ones, about doing things for free. And if you look at that video, it puts it all into context for you about what will happen. You get nothing from it, and this is the problem. They'll promise and promise and promise, and you never get anything for those likes. And that's the thing that you've got to understand. You seriously would be better off working, paying for someone like a model or whatever, and then getting to work and build your portfolio rather than working for one of these companies or doing something for free, because it has no value. That's the thing that you've got to understand about doing that type of thing. It has no value. And I thought that video was just perfect in sort of showing that. So if you know someone young particularly that's just starting to get into the industry, or if you were thinking about doing this type of thing for free likes or something on Facebook, you know, saying they'll promote you and all this sort of stuff, have a think about what that video actually just showed you, because I really think it's an amazing video and it is right to the point. And sometimes humor is the best way to actually get your message across, and I thought that was fantastic. So let me know in the comments down below what you think about that, and I'll see you all again soon for the next video. Bye, guys.